Coming outside the third dimension. Did I get your attention? Left it with suspension. Lift me up in the air, suspended. I don't get it suspended. Maybe just execution style if you end it. No, I don't pretend it. Maybe you don't get it. Left it too specific. Not even get the details that I promise it's horrific. Say it's terrific in the Pacific.
Get it. Call me back if you listen. Call me back if you get it. Mention who? Not to mention. Voicemail lasted 6 minutes. Develop, polarize and finish. Pick up your picture. What I gotta do, deliver.
Say they read it in scripture. It's like childbirth, the way I deliver. So frequently, motherfucker, you must speak to me on a level of truth. If you wanna get in the booth, I don't mean to be shining. I got yellow, not gold tooth. If you wanna wrote this, then I wrote to. But I didn't write right now. Just time to fight right now. Inside right now. No need to hide right now.
Call me back if you get this. Voicemail 6 minutes. Forgot to mention. Memo at the code, memo at the phone. What you wanna listen? Memory in your home. I don't give a fuck no more.
I don't think you get it. I don't think it's twisted. I don't think you should have been enlisted. Maybe if there's a draft, then we'll all laugh that they're on a bloodbath, a blood blast. Shit, man, messing up my words at the end of the rhyme, just frequently telling you all the time.